had to do this video over. So I'm going to sit down and do this video real quick because it was flickering too much. And I figured you really want to get a good look at the shoe, but the GS is already gone. So at the end of the video, the close-up will be there and it'll be of the GS and the men's version. But right now, I just wanted you guys to get a good look at the men's version. So it's a quick video to go at the beginning of the close-up video. So this video is for the close-up of the shoe, just so you guys can see it, right? But here we go. It's the Foamposite, and this is the 2020 version, not the 2007. I made some mistakes with that, but we'll see. Anyway, Air Foamposite 1, Black-Anthracite. Style code is 314-996-001. SRP is $230. Penny hasn't changed prices in a while. This is a size 11. In the size 11 UPC is 194-499-993-155, and there's a 14 at the end. So on the inside of the box, the stamp is not on the lid of the Foamposite this time around. The stamp is on the inside of the box. So I have to take out both shoes, and I'm actually going to remove this paper, which maybe you can see the paper. It has Nike Air logos all over it, but probably couldn't see that. Let's put this on the table real quick, and then on the inside of the box, you can see on the inside of the box here, you got a blue stamp, and that blue stamp reads 07 25 20 5506. But 07 25 20 is what we're worried about, because on the inside of this shoe, on the collar, the dates of production are 03, 05, 22, 07, 2020, 07, 2020. I said what? 07, 25, 20. You couldn't get any closer. 5 days since this shoe was looked at and the QC stamp was done. So we know that our date of production is right on point with this model. It's not a whole lot to look at. Like I said, there's a close-up coming right after I get ready to cut this one short. I'm just making sure I get this video in, because the previous video I did with both the men's and the kids, the aperture wasn't correct, so the video looked bad and it was just flickering, you know. So I'm just making sure you get to see the shoe, and here comes the close-up. All right, so we got the shoes here, and I like to look at the shape of it, because sometimes you'll get some people that'll write you and be like, yo, my shoe doesn't look like the men's shoe. It's fake. No, the kid's shoe is not the same shape as the men's shoe. As a matter of fact, I really don't like the kids' shape. I wish they would just reduce the size of the men's shape and stick with that, because let's move this up a bit. This just looks like a bootleg to me, the GS one. I don't know if I'm the only one that thinks that, though. Maybe it's just me. Also, on the shoe, the men's version of the shoe does not have white up the front. The kids' version has white. So I'm just making sure you see the small differences in the models. On the inside, on the men's, the logo is dark. It's like an anthracite for real. On the kids, make sure I don't drop that, it's more white on the kids. Oh, well, I was going to wrap it up, but I wanted to make sure I got the kids' shoe is white at the back. All right, the men's shoe is black at the back, because I didn't catch that detail, and I just wanted to make sure. The outsoles are completely different. You guys see that? The outsoles are completely different. So I'm just making sure I show you the differences between the GS version and the men's version. And I'm going to wrap that up right there. For real this time, I'm wrapping it up. That's it. See you guys on the next one.